Install the transfer plate to the machine. The machine can be pulled out to the desired width by rotating the two knobs below the machine. When using the machine for the first time, pull the emergency switch upwards. Turn on the switch, the heating and cooling keys in turn. Rotate the temperature knob to set the appropriate sealing temperature. The black knob can adjust the speed of conveying bags. If you press the emergency switch, the machine will stop immediately. To restart, remember to rotate the emergency switch to release it. This machine features a built-in counter that records the number of bags sealed during each operation. The count can be cleared at any time using the reset button.